In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to create a more memorable web address or simply updating your business name, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your browser and navigate to your Squarespace account homepage. This is your control center for everything related to your website. And from here, you can manage settings, content, and domains. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the screen and click on the magnifying glass icon. This is your search function. It's a handy tool that allows you to quickly find what you're looking for in Squarespace's myriad of features. Now, in the search bar, type in domain. This will direct you to options related to your site's web address. Click on Domains from the list that appears. This section is where you'll manage, add, or change the domains associated with your Squarespace site. Once you are in the Domains section, look for the Get a Domain button. Here you have several choices, such as purchasing a new domain through Squarespace or linking one you already own. Let's go ahead and assume you have a domain that you've already purchased elsewhere, but click on Use a Domain I Own. This option allows you to connect an existing domain rather than purchasing a new one, which is a great way to preserve your brand identity and keep your web traffic directed to your current website. In the next step, type your domain name into the provided field. Be sure to enter it correctly, as typos could result in errors or misdirects. With your domain entered, click on Next. Squarespace will guide you to ensure your domain seamlessly integrates with your website. Finally, click on Connect Domain to start the process. You might be required to adjust domain settings with your domain provider, such as updating DNS records. If you're unsure about these settings, Squarespace offers guidance and support to make the transition smooth and hassle-free. Once everything is set up, click on Connect Domain once more to confirm. This might take a little while to finalize, as domain changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. But once complete, your new domain will lead straight to your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your domain on Squarespace. With these simple steps, you've ensured that your website reflects your brand's identity perfectly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy Squarespacing!